it's me. I tried calling you earlier, but you didn't pick up. It's fine. It was a good day. I did a lot. I do wish Dad was here, though. My friends were really great. They brought me breakfast in bed and wrote me all these nice letters telling me how much they loved me, and it was great. Then I went to school and learned a lot. We talked about wolves. Did you know that when you hear them howling at the moon, they're actually communicating with each other? With their loved ones, no doubt. But you know what? They actually can't be alone. They have a partner that they're always with, and it's actually crazy because they're really similar to humans in the way that they're usually monogamous. That is, unless, of course, something terrible happens and their partner dies, and then they are separated from the one, and the one they spend their whole life searching for, and the one that they're supposed to be with and the one that they're supposed to love, but sometimes they fall short, I guess. Anyways, the next time you see a wolf by itself, have some compassion, because it was probably kicked out of the pack or its loved one died. Okay. Bye, Mom. Love you.